sir?
Jared Golden.
Jared, what are we doing?
We jumping.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers. You trust me to throw you out of an airplane even though we just met?
Yep.
Scared, nervous, excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Celebrating anything?
Birthday tomorrow, her birthday today.
We don't make it. Any last words, final comments, confessions?
Hey, we going out with a bang.
For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, buried in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. High five, let's go have some fun. Here we go, woo! All right, you guys ready to get in, get up, get out of this bird?
Yes, sir.
Have some fun?
Let's have some fun.
Woo, let's get up and out of here and go rock skydive. Yeah! High five. High five. High five. Ah, here we go. Have fun, huh?
Yeah.
Check out that view.
This is amazing.
It's about to get better. Pull the right one all the way down.
Pull it all the way down.
Look at the camera, smile.
Yeah!
Nice. Pull the left one down all the way.
Here we go.
All the way down.
All the way down.
Woo! Oh,
Yeah.
hands up through that. All right, how you feeling?
Feel great.
What do you think of that?
That was awesome.
You did great.
Gotta do that
Gonna
again.
do that again? Yeah.
Absolutely.
Next time you come out, I'll let you open the parachute. You just gotta find the golf ball and pull it out, okay?
All right.
Skydive Colorado Springs. It was nice flipping with you. This could
Fellow
be you.
UPSer.
Woo!